Hello, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make branches that gonna connect skill trees that when you press the skill tree to unlock it, it's gonna light up, change the color, same as the button from the last episode. And to let you know, the next what I'm gonna do after that is gonna be adding skills to array and leveling them up. So wherever press the button, you level it 1, 2, 3, and also unlocking the skill next. So you cannot press skill in the middle of the tree. It's exactly like I'm showing now on the screen. So you have to press the first skill to unlock the second skill. You cannot just skip it. So that's what I'm gonna do in next episode, but I'm gonna separate it probably for 3 or 4 smaller episodes because it's quite a lot to do. It's quite difficult, and yeah, I need that time, do it quite slowly to explain everything. But yeah, let's back to video. Okay, to start, we're gonna open our UI. We're gonna get the widget, and I'm gonna name it skill tree branch. Branch, no. Branch. Yes, and we're gonna open it. And we want a border. Put the border on and set up it to this, and we're gonna change it for that's not what is it? Ooh, that's what I'm doing. What am I checking? That's a brush color. Here we go. I change it halfway. I'm gonna make it dark like this. Okay, that's how I like it. You can do it any way you like, whatever color you want. I just want it to look darker so it looks like it's not unlocked yet. And what I'm gonna get is self and get slot as canvas slot, and we're gonna set the order because this branch gonna set in our canvas where all the skills are in skill tree widget. It's where we set all the skill trees, and I want it to be pre-construct, so it's always on -1. So when I'll show you now when we're building it. As you see, I'm gonna change 2 and 40. Yeah, that'll be perfect. And when we're building it, boom, you see it's straight away like that. They just cover behind it, and that's perfect. And put on the middle, if you want to put on the middle, just turn off the grid, and you can line up perfectly on the middle, and then you can get another one. Did I do it? Where's my another one? I think they always spawn. Where's the second one spawn? Huh? Oh, no. No. What have I done? Where is another one? Where is it? Am I blind? Oh my god. Yeah, we want to set them up in the middle as well, because they're gonna go off when you start the game. You go 1, and let's say 2 for now. You can get on the side. I'm just gonna to show you how it works just here. So it's gonna be like this, nice. And when you press the game, it will look something. Where's the second one? See, the one is works, but this one I didn't set on the middle. Oh, that's why it ran out too. Yeah, it will work nice. It's barely visible. I like this way. Don't worry about the messages. It's just when I press the buttons that are not set. Like this one, the message showed that there is no skill data. Okay, so next what we want to do, we're on the skill tree. We're gonna get on the graph, No, that's not what we wanna do. I'm lying. We wanna open a skill slot. We wanna go in the graph, and that's a perfect one. We're gonna open unlock skill tree that we created last game. We're gonna get I don't know, I don't think we're using that. I think I was testing something. On skill unlock. Yeah, on skill unlock. I'm gonna call it, and we're gonna place it here. And next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to skill branch, and we're gonna get skill tree as variable. Skill slot. We're gonna get skill slot, and we're actually gonna get skill what is it, skill slot, and then we're gonna on skill unlock, we're gonna change color. So we're gonna get our border, which we don't have. Why don't have it? Because I didn't set as variable. We're gonna set as variable. I'm gonna get border. From the border I'll get it, and I'm gonna set brush. Set brush. And from set brush, I got the color here I want. I'm just gonna copy it. That's, I think that's not the set brush I want. Oh, brush. What's happened? Brush, or this one. Set brush color, and I'm gonna have this color here. And then once we press it, but no, we're gonna go back in skill tree. We're gonna open graph, and we're gonna press our skill, our branch, and now you can see that we got with skill slot. Oh, we got lots of them, obviously. So you're gonna choose this one, and that's a skill slot 1111, and we're gonna choose skill slot 1111, which is this one. But what can help if you actually name them after the skill it is. So let's say it's health 0, 0, 1, or 1, whatever. Let's say 0, 1. Did you change it here? Yeah, now that's a skill, and this skill is what we got here, slot 5, and slot 5 is gonna be skill, no, what was it, health 0, 2, and then we're gonna just choose health 0, 2, boom, 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 and we go play, and we want to spend some money, and then boom, it's light up, and then I press boom, it's light up. Yes, it's quite a lot to put on. If you look at all of this skill tree and all the branches, it's gonna be lots. Can I think I can just close that and I don't see it. I don't know if there's other way you could do it. I don't think so. If there is, let me know in the comment. I would appreciate that extra knowledge. But yeah, once again, we're gonna do punk, and you can add more. Obviously, branch here, branch here, branch here, branch here. You see, we're using the skills that still doesn't work. Since last did everything work, and that's make it look quite nice. You can choose your own color. I like this kind of goldish color. It looks cool for me. So yeah, so next episode, as I said before, we're gonna do all the logic of unlocking, of changing all the levels. It's gonna change your tooltip. The level if now is 0, but then will be 1, 2, and 3. And once it's on 3, you cannot press it anymore. Now I think I can spend all skills on one skill because it doesn't have this logic, but we're gonna set it all. So thank you for watching, and subscribe if you wanna see the next videos. We wanna see when it's appear, get notification. I think you can press some belt on the bottom. You can like video as well if you like it, and comment it. Say what you think, and say maybe give me idea about future videos, something specific with skill tree I could find out. As I said, I don't know everything, but if there's some requests about skill tree, I will try to learn about this and find a way how to do it. So anyway guys, I see you in the next video.